Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a hair product for you guys today. So my hair, I haven't done anything with it. It is, look at all my gray, but it is crazy and poofy and naughty, and I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it. I got this in my Sephora box. It's by ALTERNA. This is Caviar, anti-aging, and you guys know me. Anything that's anti-aging, I'm going to be like, yeah, I'm going to try it. Anyways.
Caviar, anti-aging, reconstructing bond repair. It's a leave-in heat protectant spray for your hair. It strengthens and protects damaged hair up to 450 degrees.
And that is what this bad boy is going to be at, 450. So let's go ahead and see if it smokes my hair, how it feels after, how it feels before. So I'm going to go ahead and pump it. Prime it. I don't know how it sprays. If it sprays like
12 seconds later.
Okay, obviously you need to spray, pump, pump, pump. Let's see how it sprays. Okay. Okay, so I think the fragrance comes out a little bit strong at first, and then it kind of dissipates. It kind of stunk. Now it's not too bad. Now it smells just like a conditioner. But how does it feel? It feels like a conditioner. And if you guys are wondering why my hair is always so healthy, because 99.9% of the time before I do any heat to my hair, I put the Garnier Sleek and Shine drops. I'll post that link down. I'll post that down below if you guys want to check it out. I put that in my hair before I do any heat. So we're going to try something new today. Spray your face. Don't spray your face. Spray it away. I have dark hair, and this comes out like a cream. So let me see if you can't see it. Yeah, you can't see it. It has a funky smell though. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair. Kind of got my hair all wet. These are the Sleek and Shine Gloss Drops, or Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum that I use in my hair all the time. And it goes on my hair. It doesn't like wet my hair, so to speak, like this. Look, it looks like it's wet. And just so you know, these smell very like fruity. These drops are those, that serum, not these. Okay, let's go ahead and comb all of it through. Oh, thick and heavy, like I just put a conditioner from the shower all over. So let's go ahead and section it off like I do, like you should when you flat iron your hair. Look at that, it just looks wet. Just make a brush that has a point and pin it out of the way. Oh, do you see the steam? I don't think you guys see the steam on camera. How does it look? Wow, look how it made the strands look like individual and still wet. That's weird. Look at that, the texture that it gave it. Let's comb through that. So I'm combing through it, and look at the texture it has, like the individualness to each strand, like it's wet. But it's still straight. Oops, don't rip the earring out. Now it does smoke. You guys can see the smoke now. Look really close. You can see all the smoke. It does smoke. That's fine, as long as it's smoking the product out and not my hair, not burning my hair. I don't know if I like how this looks. But did the odor come out? Yeah, I guess it kind of like burns off that smell. You should wear your boots with that
Where's that
one.
spray? It smells good.
The one that I just sprayed?
Yeah.
In my hair?
Oh, is that your hair?
You like how it smells?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Smell my hair.
No.
Smell it. No, really, because tell me if that's the smell.
No, I like it. It smells good.
Okay, but
I'm
just...
not gonna sniff it.
Yeah, because I have a perfume on. I don't know if it's the perfume or the
I like the
spray.
perfume.
But I just sprayed this right now.
Oh, is this a perfume?
Just smell my hair.
Oh, it's probably this one. No. Oh, yeah, it is that one.
You like how that smells?
Yes. What is it?
It's a leave-in conditioner.
Oh, my God.
Wow. Okay. Well, Zumi likes how it smells. Interesting. It's a leave-in conditioner. You want me to do one of your strands?
No.
Let's try one of Zumi's. Zumi's going to go straighten her hair. So let me spray this in her hair.
Not the whole thing.
I'm just doing this side right now. Okay.
Makes me cry.
So you like that smell? Oh, wow. Look, it takes your frizz down majorly. So each of her strands now look wet and individual instead of puffy. You going to flat iron it or no?
Can I leave it in my hair?
Yeah.
Does it stay?
Yeah, it will just leave. It should leave it like this.
It's not gonna damage my hair.
It's supposed to protect your hair.
Oh my God, it makes me cry.
Makes you what?
I don't like the sound of that spray. It makes me cry.
You don't like the sound?
Mm-hmm.
Does it make sense? Makes your curls look great, actually. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Turn sideways a little. Now you guys can see how it pieced sideways more. You guys can see how it makes it piecey. And it separates, I know it's hard to see. It separates the curls compared to, let's compare to both sides. Tamed, calm, and all puffy and frizzy. Do the other side?
You can do that.
Okay. So we're going to tame all the puffiness. And we're not going to flat iron it after all, I guess. And Zumi has like a tremendous amount of hair. How do you think it smells? That is a huge, huge difference. So we're going to go ahead and let this dry on Zumi's hair and see, does it get puffy again or not in a little bit. Look at all the gray. How does it feel? How does it look? So I will say that I think it gives my hair a little more texture. I mean, you guys can see, like, normally when I have the Sleek and Shine, the Garnier in my hair, it kind of lays flat and it's very shiny. And this, on the other hand, is kind of dull looking with a lot of, like, texture. It feels fine. The odor, when you flat iron it, kind of dissipates. Like I was saying, like, it's not as strong. Zumi obviously loves this smell. It's just not up my alley, I guess. But it feels very textured. It feels like I have a... It looks like I missed a spot. That's what it looks like. So it feels like I have a conditioner in my hair. But I guess people who want to have like that big volume to their hair, they might love this, because look at that. Just running my fingers through my hair, look how puffy it gets. So, I mean, personally for me, I'm going to pass, because I don't like running my fingers through my hair and feeling like I'm touching conditioner. So I'm going to take 2 pumps of my Garnier, and I'm going to put it right on top. Let's see if it makes a difference. Let's see if it gets that more smooth, soft texture that I like. Because when you have a conditioner in your hair, I almost feel like I don't know, like the texture on my hair, and I have, of course, thick hair. I almost feel like it feels like it's dirty, you know, like you're at the beach and your hair gets that beachy, thick, like ugh feeling. So I don't think that helped. No, it didn't help at all. No, it did not help. I think it made things worse. And now I look shiny. Oh my gosh, the gray. I need color. I don't know if you guys get these coarse, funky grays. There we go. I think it just gave it like the same texture, but now kind of shiny, which makes it look kind of dirty. Anyways, I don't know. I'm going to leave it up to you guys what you think. Let me go ahead and get Zoomy on camera because her hair should have dried by now since we didn't put too much on her hair. Let's see if it's still puffy. But you can see it's just kind of heavy on me. Let me put the camera down a little bit more. It's just kind of heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. I don't like it to be heavy. Zoomy! Everybody's asking for you online.
You online? You're online, baby.
Okay. So sit straight. Oh, so it did not get puffy. And it dried matte. And it feels soft on her hair. What do you think? Tell them.
I like it.
Why do you like it?
I'm turning red on my cheeks.
Okay.
I look red.
But why do you like it? Tell
here.
them.
She's outside, cause I just like the smell and it looks good. She's here.
So that's what you get from a teenager. Anyways, I'm going to say, I'm not going to give it a thumbs down. I'm not going to give it a thumbs up. I'm going to let you guys decide. Honestly, I thought it did great on Zoomy's hair. If you have curly hair, on mine, I don't like the heavy, thick feeling in my hair. But I don't know. You guys decide. Let me know in the comment section down below. But while you're down there, hit the thumbs up button, please. The little like button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.